At Ultra Cooker, we have just tested the Philips Dual Basket 3000 series, and in this video, we are going to tell you what we honestly think of it. If you are interested in this product, please note that we have placed a link with its best price just below this video. This large air fryer has two baskets, the left one having a capacity of 3 liters and the right one 6 liters, for a total of 9 liters. It measures 38 centimeters in width by 44 centimeters in length and 31 centimeters in height, which is quite massive. It also has a heavy weight of 7.8 kilograms, and its power cord measures 80 centimeters. The machine is made of plastic and metal with a non-stick coating. We appreciated the presence of rubber pieces at the 4 corners of the grids to avoid scratching the baskets. On the other hand, it is a shame that the grids have such large holes. Because of this, carrot slices and fries fell underneath, and it was necessary to struggle to remove them manually between 2 cooking cycles. The digital touchscreen allowed us to easily change the programs and settings of the fryer. The indications are bright enough to be clearly visible, and the touch operation is responsive. The baskets have handles that are simple to grip and well insulated, without any risk of burning. The sides of the fryer, on the other hand, heated up slightly during use, reaching a maximum of 42 degrees, but it remains safe if you have children or pets. The heating elements are located above the bowls inside the fryer. They are visible and accessible if needed for cleaning. 2 accessories are included with the machine, a tong with a rubber tip and a metal rack for toast. Regarding maintenance, the baskets and grids can be washed in the dishwasher, but we found that it was not entirely effective because the grid remained quite dirty after being washed this way. The exterior of the fryer can be cleaned with a simple damp cloth, and if necessary, you can scrub the elements using a brush. That is it for the design and maintenance. Let us now move on to the features and performance. This air fryer offers 8 automatic programs: frozen fries, fresh fries and potatoes, meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, dessert, and reheat. In addition to that, it has a synchronization function to finish cooking both baskets at the same time, and a copy function, so that both baskets share the same parameters. No user manual is provided, but we found the whole system instinctive to use. Each program is adjustable in time and temperature. The thermostat varies from 40 to 200 degrees, the timer can be set between 0 and 60 minutes, and the baskets turn off automatically at the end of the allotted time. Furthermore, the machine beeped halfway through cooking to remind us to shake or turn the food over. During our tests, we verified the actual temperature reached inside the baskets. In an empty basket heated to 200 degrees, our thermometer accurately detected this temperature. To test the performance of this fryer, we cooked various frozen foods: matchstick fries, carrot slices, a chicken leg, and chicken nuggets. We tried to use the program that best matched each cooking process, and here are our results. When cooking 300 grams of frozen matchstick fries at 200 degrees with the frozen fries program, the fries began to brown after 10 minutes. After 15 minutes, they were almost all perfect. We cooked them in the large basket. On the other hand, 20 minutes was too long. Some fries were burned. With the vegetable program, the cooking time is scheduled for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. We cooked 300 grams of frozen carrot slices in the small basket. After 8 minutes, the carrots were absolutely not cooked. After 15 minutes, they were still crunchy. After 20 and 25 minutes, the results were better, but we did not obtain truly well-cooked slices. Next, we cooked a 430-gram frozen chicken leg in the large basket using the chicken program at 200 degrees. After 20 minutes, the skin was already crispy, but the chicken was not cooked. After 33 minutes, the core of the chicken was not yet perfectly cooked, but after 40 minutes, the chicken was well cooked. As a final cooking test, we prepared 12 nuggets with the chicken program. We cooked them at 200 degrees for 15 minutes, shaking them halfway through cooking, and the result was very good with well-cooked chicken and crispy breading. During the cooking of the nuggets, we measured the polluting particles emitted by the fryer. For this, we placed an air quality sensor 1 meter away from the appliance. We noted the quantities of fine particles, 2.5 in total volatile organic compounds, before using the fryer and after cooking the nuggets. As our sense of smell had informed us, this fryer pollutes the ambient air quite heavily. The odor released is typically that of a new appliance being used for the first time. We therefore advise you to ventilate the room during your first uses. In terms of noise during use, the fryer's ventilation emitted 50 decibels at 1 meter, which is reasonable. The audible signals for the end of cooking halfway reminder, and parameter changes are also discrete. They emitted 37 decibels at 50 centimeters, which might even lack a bit of volume if you are not near the fryer. And that is it for our test results. So to summarize everything, the positive points of the Philips Dual Basket 3000 series are a very good preparation of fries, nuggets, and chicken legs. The fact that there are 2 baskets usable independently of each other, the 8 available programs, the halfway reminder by an audible beep. The fact that it does not heat up too much during use, its reasonable noise during cooking, and its bowl and grid that are dishwasher safe. As for the negative points, they are the fact that it pollutes the air quite heavily and has a bad odor during the first uses, its heavy and bulky format, and its poor cooking of frozen carrots. And that concludes our test. Thank you very much for watching. As a reminder, you will find the link to this product with its best price just below the video. And if you like honest reviews of kitchen appliances, feel free to subscribe to our channel.